Hey everyone, Jason here. I've always wondered what it would be like to fly like a superhero. But what if we actually could? What if we could soar through the sky at Mach 10, or about 7,680 miles per hour? Well, the immediate external effects would be less than super. First off, your internal organs would liquefy under the intense G-forces as the air molecules pierce the skin like microscopic bullets. Then the skin would be instantly stripped away from exposed areas. Clothing would be shredded and ignite from air friction. A shockwave would form in front of the body, creating a superheated plasma cone. Internal organ damage, though unimportant as you are already dead, would be catastrophic as well. Your lungs would instantly collapse from the extreme pressure differential. Your blood vessels would rupture throughout the body, and internal organs would be crushed by the sudden G-forces. As if that weren't bad enough, let's talk about sensory and nervous system damage like traumatic, subconjunctival hemorrhaging of the eyes. Then the retinas would likely detach from the extreme forces and both eardrums would rupture. Next, let's discuss skeletal muscular impact. Muscles would be torn from bones at attachment points. Neck muscles would fail to support the head against the wind force, and limbs would be forced backward by air resistance until structural failure. And finally, your arms and legs would be ripped off. Now let's talk about the atmospheric effects, because they are quite interesting. A visible vapor cone would form around the body from compressed air. Then a trail of superheated air would follow behind, and finally, local atmospheric disruption would create a series of small sonic booms.